Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduates and electronics graduate. The name of the company is Bharat Dynamics Limited. I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company. So this is the official website. So I will also provide the link for the PDF. Once you click the link, the PDF will open. So Bharat Dynamics Limited is a mini Ratna company running under Government of India. So it's a golden opportunity. Now they are recruiting on a contract basis with a fixed term for various projects and office located in the corporate office in Hyderabad and Banur unit. So almost 80 posts is available. So see here, project diploma assistant electrical 2 vacancies are available, and similarly just scroll down and see the vacancies. So many vacancies are there, and almost out of that 44 vacancies, the number of vacancies reserved persons with benchmark disability is 1, and same earmarked for locomotor disabilities 2. So educational qualification they are clearly given. So for project diploma assistant mechanical, 3 years of diploma in mechanical in recognized state or central government is required, and project diploma assistant for electronics, 3 years of diploma in relevant discipline is required. Similarly, just see the qualifications for on the right hand side. Candidate must possess minimum 1 year experience required after acquiring prescribed qualification as on 2/5/2022. So 1 year completed or apprenticeship training will be considered as the experience for diploma assistant. So project diploma assistant need to be engaged on a contract basis initially for a period of 1 year, and maximum 4 years will be extended. So in first year you will be getting a salary of 25,000, second year you will be getting 26,500, third year you will be getting 28,000, and fourth year 29,500. It's a consolidated remuneration per month. So gently see all the payment scale, so whichever thing you are applying. And selection procedure, weightage a 75 marks will be given based on the percentage or aggregate which you secured in BE, BTech or diploma, and remaining 10 marks will be given for post qualification experience. So allocation of mark is given here. Kindly have a glance of it. So candidate must not BDL follow only central government list and not state government list, and some relaxation will be given to non-creamy layers and disabilities person. So general conditions like only Indian can apply. Age qualification and experience as stipulated should follow as on 2/5/2022, and candidate required to apply only online. No manual or paper application will be entertained. Directly it will be retained, considered as a useless registration, and only online will be accepted. So management reserves the right to fill up or otherwise any other notified post as per the rules of the company. Appointment of selected candidates subject to verification of educational, technical, character amendment. There won't be any liability. All details given in online form will be treated final, and no more changes will be entertained. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical, electronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.